Hi guys, today I'm going to show all my cleaning tools, so let's get started. This is a broom and a broom like this. Now next. Here's the dustbin. And we can use the broom and do like this. Here is a, what is this?
Mop.
Mop. And you do it like this.
What is a mop used on? For carpet or floors?
Floor.
Yeah.
Here's a brush. You can use it for a dustbin too. So here, that's how you do it. This is a dust cleaner. I'm going to clean it in the TV and the speakers. Like this. And the speakers. That's how you do it. This is a vacuum cleaner. You can use it for the floor and the carpet.
All right, Iman, you want to show us how that works?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's 1, 2, 3, music.
Put away toys on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll get this place looking great. 9,
Good to clean. And the floor too. It's good to clean. Right here. Another here. And there. This is the music, and this is to turn it on, and this is the settings. There's 1, 2, that's red, and there's 3, 4, that's orange, and there's 5, 6, that's yellow, 7, 8, that's green, then 9, 10, that's purple, and it's finished. Let's turn it on.
3, time to clean.
Let's do the off one.
All done.
Now it's off. All done doing vacuum. Here we have a sprayer cleaner and a clock.
What does that do?
You wipe it.
Oh, you want
Yeah.
to try?
You spray it. Then you wipe it. Like that. And like that. That's how you do it. And let's stay here. And there we go. We're almost done. This is a Dyson. My mommy has the same one too. Come on guys, let's show my mom's vacuum. It's right here. And it can hold. This can hang it.
Isn't it heavy?
Yes, it is.
And
But one piece broke. You can use it like this. You can use it, and you can use this part. And it's vacuum. This part comes off too. Like this. You put it back on again like this. Harder as you can. Like straight. And do it again. That's how you do it. Let's go, guys. Let's rush
we're gonna pick up the trash.
Oh, I know, dustbin. I got it. Now it's time to pick up the trash like this. Here's the trash.
Nice.
Now we're going to mop like this, so the floor can be all clean. Like this. Everywhere. Here. There. There. Bye guys, hope you like my cleaning video. Bye. Mwah.